Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bimmer Barn. My name is Chris, and in today's episode, we're going to be installing a set of M Performance pedals on my E39 M5 wagon. Now, we're also going to be installing a set of Depot Euro side markers on the car, and I'm really happy to partner with Unique Style Racing, who helped us get these parts, and they've provided a discount code for me to share with you. So stay tuned to the very end of the video so that you can get 10% off of their website and get your own pedals or side markers as well. So I've got the car ready behind me. Let's go ahead and unbox the pedals first and show you how they work, how they're going to be installed, and then I'll show you how they mount up inside the car. So here I've got the pedals in front of us, and they come in two boxes because we ordered the manual pedal set with dead pedal. So we've got everything that we need to cover all of our old raggedy pedals. And specifically on my car, I'm actually missing one of the rubber feet for the clutch pedal, and it just looks like it's not even matching the rest of them. So we're gonna be removing the other rubber clutch foot and then gonna be replacing everything with these. So these are not original M Performance pedals. I think anyone could, probably tell that. But these have a particular style that reminds me of 90s era M Performance parts, and it looks really good in my opinion. And you know what? I'd rather have something that's brand new than old and falling apart because it's original. These things look really good. They've got the original colors, like nice little M logo right there, and they come with the hardware to install, and they're built in two pieces, and this is real aluminum right here. So under the accelerator pedal, we've got the clutch and the brake, and then we've got all the hardware that we need for those. So here we have the dead pedal. This one is nice and large.
That's what she said.
And it should fit pretty well inside of our car. I've seen other kits where the dead pedal is actually too small for the interior, but this looks like it's gonna be plenty big, especially when you compare it to the size of the accelerator pedal. So I'm really excited to see these things installed, and let's go ahead and mock them up now and see what it looks like. So I'm really happy with how the installation of the pedals went. Obviously, going through the plastic is a little bit easier than installing through the metal. So I just used self-tapping screws for the dead pedal and also for the accelerator pedal. And then for the clutch, it was as simple as getting the correct size bit. But that was enough for the metal screws to tap into the plastic of the clutch pedal. Now the brake pedal is a different story because it's made out of metal, so you have to drill those a little bit bigger and then use the supplied bolt and the nut that goes together, and that'll secure the brake pedal on. The finish and the aesthetic look is really good. I feel like it matches the lines of the door sill here, so it looks like it matches and it's like era to the car. I know the original M Performance pedals, they kind of look a little more blobby, and I'm not really obsessed with those, but these I feel like really transform the interior of the car. And I know everyone keeps saying it, we need to do the steering wheel next, but don't worry, we're gonna be either rewrapping that or we'll just replace it altogether. I haven't decided yet, but I promise you we're gonna do something cool there. So guys, the next mod that we're gonna be taking care of is installing a set of Euro side markers on my wagon. Now, Unique Style Racing was nice enough to send us 2 pairs of Euro side markers. They sent us some clear ones as well as some smoked ones to try out. USR is a depot authorized dealer. All this stuff they had in stock. So now, since I have the clear and the smoked markers, I'm gonna go ahead and try installing both. And then I think I'm gonna lean on the clear ones, but we'll see. Now, installation should be pretty easy. We should be able to massage the old light out of the fender and then install our new one. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. So I think we're gonna start off by testing out these clear with reflective housings. Now it reuses the bulb socket. So you're gonna twist that out, and my bulb looks like on its last legs. And they come with new orange bulbs, which is nice because that technically makes these DOT compliant. And then we'll take that, twist it in, and now we can go ahead and install this inside of our fender. To install it, just make sure it goes in the same way as it came out, and put it in the plastic end first, and then the spring will follow. So I've gone and installed both of the clear side markers now, and I'm super happy with how these things look. I'm really digging this like clear on blue kind of theme for the car, of like having some of this chrome trim, the chrome wheels on. I think it looks pretty classy, and these Euro side markers look legit. Look at this, guys. Now you know the quality is gonna be good because these are made by Depot, and they fit perfect as well, so I'm really happy with that too. Now I still have these smoke side markers, so why don't we go ahead and remove the clears, and let's try installing these ones to see how they look too. So right there are the smoked markers installed. I don't think they look too bad. It definitely kind of darkens up the front of the car. But with my current chromed out headlights, I think that they kind of don't match very well. Now, if I had Shadowline trim or like blacked out glossy trim, it would probably match a lot better. Or if I had blacked out headlights. But they don't look bad, actually. You know, they do look good. They're crystal clear, though. That's the good thing about them. So they look like brand new OEM markers, which is really nice. So we've got our side markers installed and the pedals installed fine, and I'm really happy with how both of these things turned out on the car. It looks really awesome. Now, I can't wait to continue to work with Unique Style Racing because they are a depot authorized dealer. And if you've been watching my videos, then you know that I want to do some depot headlights on the front of this car. So fingers crossed, go ahead and like this video to help me out, and maybe Unique Style Racing will help us get a set of headlights for the car. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep the clear markers installed on my car for now, but if you want this set of smoked markers, give me a comment down below and I will go ahead and pick someone randomly in the next 30 days after this video is uploaded, and I'll send you the free set of smoked markers for you to install on your E39. Now guys, I appreciate all of you watching, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that now. But I hope everyone has an awesome day, and we will see you in the next video.